In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix sound on iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. And there's a few different things that we're going to go ahead and do. So firstly, you want to go ahead and check your action button on the left of your iPhone and go ahead and long press on that. And you just want to make sure it's on ring if it's currently on silent. Then swipe down on the top right of your screen. It's going to show your control panel. Now, if you're on Do Not Disturb, you're not going to be getting any notifications, which is why you might not be getting any sound. So if you're on Do Not Disturb, go ahead and turn this off. Next thing you want to do is the volume slider. Make sure it's not completely muted. You can go ahead and turn this on as well. Now, if you have Bluetooth enabled, all you want to do is go ahead and check this and make sure you're not connected to any device like a speaker or AirPods, anything like that, because that might be hijacking all of your audio. The next thing you want to do is go over to the top right where it has this AirPlay icon. Make sure it's set to iPhone speaker and not any other TV or anything like that. Now, the next thing that you want to go ahead and do is just go ahead and check if there's any blockage where the speakers are on your phone, like the physical area, and then you'll be good to go. Now, the final thing I want you to do is scroll down in settings and then go over to accessibility. Once you're in accessibility, go over to touch. And then within touch, you just want to look for audio call routing, where it says call audio routing. Make sure it is set to automatic and it's not something like set to Bluetooth headset or speaker. And once it's set to automatic, you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.